Hey, what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me. If you are planning to start an IT career right now, there's one question you're probably asking yourself. What if AI replaces IT jobs before I even get hired? You'll see the headlines everywhere. AI will replace workers, automation will eliminate jobs, and the robots will take over the whole industry. So if you are working on certifications like CompTIA A+ or Google IT support certifications, trying to get your first IT help desk job, it's very normal to think, am I wasting my time? But here's the truth that most people don't understand. AI is not replacing the entry-level IT jobs. In fact, the growth of AI might actually increase the demand for IT professionals. And in this video, I'm going to explain what AI can actually do in IT, what AI cannot do, why help desk and IT support jobs are still critical, and how you can use AI to become a better IT professional. And later in this video, I'm going to show you the one skill in IT that AI cannot replace. And it's the reason IT careers will still exist for decades. So if you're thinking about starting an IT career in 2026, watch this video until the end. The biggest mistake people make when talking about AI replacing their job is they assume technology eliminates jobs completely. But historically, that's not what happened. Technology changes jobs. Let me give you a few examples. When ATM machines were introduced in the banks, people believed bank tellers will disappear. But today, banks still employ thousands of bank tellers. Their jobs simply evolved. Instead of counting cash all day, they focus now more on customer service and financial assistance. Another example is cloud computing. When companies started moving infrastructure to the cloud, many people said system administrator jobs are going to disappear. But that didn't happen. Instead, new roles were created like cloud engineers, cloud support specialists, DevOps engineers, and cloud architects. Technology did not destroy jobs, it created new ones. And AI is doing exactly the same thing right now. Many people who say AI will replace IT jobs have never actually worked in IT before, especially help desk or IT support. Let me give you real examples of what entry-level IT professionals do every day. These are real IT tickets: unlock Active Directory accounts, password resets, printer not connecting, laptop not booting, VPN connection problems, shared drive access issues, software installation problems, and network connection issues. Now ask something yourself honestly. Can AI answer simple questions? Sure it can, but real IT environments are messy. Imagine a user calling the help desk and saying, "My VPN stopped working after the Windows updates." Another user says, "My laptop turns on but the screen stays black." Another employee says, "I cannot access the shared drive that I accessed yesterday." Every one of these problems require troubleshooting, and troubleshooting requires understanding of operating systems, networks, permissions, infrastructure, and user behavior. Every company environment is different. Different servers, different security policies, and different network designs. AI does not understand your company's infrastructure, but IT professionals do. There's another reason why companies hire IT professionals, and it's something most beginners don't think about. Companies need accountability. Let's imagine a situation. A company's entire email system goes down. Employees cannot communicate, meetings stop, sales team cannot contact customers, and the company is losing money every minute. Do you think the CEO will say, "Let's ask an AI chatbot to fix our production server"? Of course not. They need a real person responsible for solving problems. Someone who understands their network infrastructure, their servers, their security systems, and their backups. AI can assist with troubleshooting, but companies still need a professional who takes responsibilities for fixing the problems. And that responsibility belongs to the IT professionals. Another thing that AI cannot easily replace is human interaction. A big part of IT support is helping people. Imagine an employee calling the help desk and saying, "I have a presentation in 5 minutes and I cannot open my files." They're stressed. They're frustrated. They need someone who can understand the situation, communicate clearly, and guide them step by step. IT professionals solve technical problems, but they also solve human problem, and the communication skills are something AI cannot fully replace. Now here's the interesting part. AI will not replace IT professionals, but IT professionals who learn how to use AI tools will become far more powerful than those who don't. AI is already helping IT professionals become more productive. Today, many IT engineers and IT managers like myself use AI tools on a regular basis. Write PowerShell scripts, analog log files, research error messages, generate documentations, and troubleshoot complex problems faster. Instead of spending hours searching forums and documentations, AI can help you narrow down the solution in seconds. Think of AI as an advanced search assistant. It simply helps you work faster, but it does not replace your understanding of the system, because someone still needs to understand the problem, verify the solution, and implement the fix. That person is an IT professional like you. Now, let me be very honest with you. AI is not the real threat to IT jobs. The real threat is not developing real skills. The IT industry values people who can troubleshoot problems, understand systems, configure networks, and manage infrastructure. Someone who only memorizes certifications may struggle, but someone who builds a home IT lab, practices real troubleshooting, and learns how systems actually work, that person will always have a value in the job market. Technology changes, but problem solvers are always needed. Here's something ironic. AI itself requires a massive IT infrastructure. AI systems run on cloud platforms, powerful servers, data centers, and networking infrastructure. And all of that must be maintained by IT professionals. So the growth of AI actually increases the demand for cloud engineers, network engineers, cybersecurity professionals, and IT support specialists. AI does not remove the need for IT, it increases it, if anything. So if you're thinking about starting an IT career today, don't let the fear stop you. Every generation hears the same warning. When computers became popular back in the day, people said jobs will disappear. When the internet arrived, people said workers will be obsolete. But what actually happened? Technology created new opportunities for the people who were willing to learn. The real question is not, will AI replace IT jobs? The real question is, will you learn how to use AI as a tool? Because the IT professionals who combine technical knowledge, troubleshooting skills, communication, and AI tools will become extremely valuable in the future. And if you're just starting your IT journey, you're entering the industry at one of the most exciting times in technology history. So start learning, build your home IT lab, practice real skills. And remember this, AI will not replace IT professionals, but IT professionals who use AI will replace those who don't. If this video helped you today, make sure you subscribe and like. Until next time, take care of yourselves and others around you, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.